Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? Today, I'm going to be sharing with you an opportunity to travel to Romania for free. Yes, they will pay for your flight, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, everything that you need for the duration of this conference. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And if you're new here, introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you so much for always sharing my videos. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your love, man. I don't know what I've done to deserve you, but thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, you need more people who are hyper. So before you say it, before you call me out, I'm going to call myself out first. So let me also go ahead and introduce myself while I introduce yourself. So my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, student, and entrepreneur. I'm a fashion designer. This channel, how it is, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you have not joined the channel, my God is watching you. Go and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and do well to share this video with your friends. Tell a friend about this juicy information I'm sharing with you guys right here on this channel. And yes, let's get right into today's business. Come in, let's go. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of ISWinT International Students Week in Timisoara in Romania? Yes, sir. So besties, if you're dreaming of a fully funded international experience that blends culture, that blends collaboration, and of course creativity, then ISWinT in Romania is calling your name. It has your name on it. ISWinT stands for International Students Week in Timisoara. Yes, it is one of the longest running students festivals in Europe, hosted by the students organizations of the West University in Timisoara. Every year, they bring together students from over 40 countries to explore global challenges through workshops, through debates, and of course, through cultural immersion. And here is what is covered. Selected participants receive free accommodation, free meals, and local transportation. Travel grants are also available to some, especially people from underrepresented regions. You will stay in the university dormitory and you'll get to enjoy Romanian cuisine while exploring the city's rich history and vibrant art scene. Romania, I think I want to travel there sometime. To apply, you will need to submit a motivational letter and fill out a detailed form. Please be sure to highlight your passion for the theme, your community involvement, and your openness to cultural exchange. ISWinT values authenticity, so let your personality shine through your application. ISWinT is more than just a festival. It is a journey. You'll get to attend workshops led by experts, participate in intercultural nights, and build friendships that span continents. Many alumni have actually said that it helps them discover their new career pathways and inspire them to launch new social initiatives. So are you ready to represent your voice on a global stage? Head over to ISWinT's website and follow them on Instagram for updates. Applications usually open in spring, so start preparing now. And if you need help crafting your own motivational letter, I am here for you. So guys, ISWinT International Students Week in Romania is something that you guys don't want to miss. And in case you don't know, Romania is actually hosting one of the most vibrant festivals in Europe, which is ISWinT. So guys, if you think that you don't have experience, you don't have anything to share, guys, this is something that you don't want to miss. I'm sure even if you're 18 years, like I said in my previous video, even if you're 18 years of age, there is something that you can share, something that aligns with the theme of this conference. You don't want to miss out on the juicy details. They cover your accommodation, your meals, your travel. Yes, it's also available to selected participants to select. So please make sure that you ask. Yes, you're going to join workshops at this conference. You're going to explore your Romanian traditions and also make global connections. So don't forget to also visit their websites and follow them on social media, because this is your chance to shine and also represent your country and your voice. In my next video, I'm going to share with you how you can travel to Tunisia for free. Yes. So guys, I'm on fire. I'm researching new international conferences for students where they get to pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation. If you know any students, please send this video to them. If you have friends, colleagues, churchmates, housemates, roommates, besties, enemies, village members, share this video with them. I'm sharing a lot of these opportunities now on this channel, and technically these videos never expire because it's available every year. So check out my videos, check out my channel. I've shared, International Students Festival, fully funded conference that is happening in Canada. I've shared International Students Festival, fully funded conference that is happening in United States. I've shared fully funded conference that is happening in South Africa. I've shared fully funded conference that is happening in Brazil. I've also shared fully funded conference happening in Australia, and I've shared fully funded conference happening in different parts of the world, even in Germany. So guys, the next one I'm going to drop on this channel, it's going to be a banger. It's in Tunisia. Guys, you guys are really making me, look forward to going to these countries, like just spend a week really in Tunisia, in Romania. Yes, I also shared for Romania. And in my next video, I'm going to share with you how you can travel to Tunisia free of charge. Yes, you're going to go on a fully funded conference. I heard about these conferences about almost 20 years ago, back when I was in university. But I mean, I was opportune, I was privileged to attend World Bank Conference. The one I couldn't attend at the time is called ISFIT, ISFIT, International Students Festival. It takes place in Trondheim, Norway. It was like I was looking forward to going for this conference. I went to Abuja, I traveled to Abuja for the visa application, but unfortunately, and my school was ready to pay for my flights even at the time. But I didn't get the visa at that time. It was going to happen in Norway. We're told to bring our native, our cultural clothes. So I was going to wear Iro and Buba with, Gele and to represent Naija as Naija Nimi Swagger. So you guys will have to go and then represent your country. Come with your cultural attire. Look your best. Because like I said, there's going to be a lot of cultural exchange. People will come in their beautiful Indian saris. They'll come in their clothes, in their, so you want to also represent as saying, Onigele, can tell everybody will come and rock their cultural attires. And beyond that, you're going to enjoy the food, the ambience, the people, the cultural, apart from the cultural exchange, you also get to understand how people do in their countries, their cultures. They also get to learn about your own culture. You also get to, rub minds together, come together and, create projects on the spot, on the go. It's going to be an all-inclusive conference, where you also get to explore the city and get to know more about these countries apart from where you've always known all your life. This is an opportunity of a lifetime that you do not want to miss. And please, I want to implore you guys, go ahead and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend and to tell another friend, right? And if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, my doors are open now. All you need to do is to join my Patreon community. You can find the link to my Patreon community. Join my Patreon community. The link is in my comments as well as in my description. Or you can also join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button, and also, join my own inner caucus. And then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. By the way, guys, besties, I am trying to name my community. So what name do you think I should give to our community? Yes, so I can't think of anything right now, but please, if you can think of anything, let me know, my people. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and God bless you. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and introduce yourself if you're new here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So check out this video right here.